What's up, friends? Welcome to Beauty by Tree. I'm Tree, and I am so excited you decided to spend some time with me. This is officially my first YouTube video. You'll understand why I say officially when I put a couple more out for you guys. But in the meantime, this is going to be like a get to know you intro to my channel, as well as a Glossier box opening video. So I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, let's get into it. As I mentioned before, this channel is called Beauty by Tree. I'm Tree, and I have a huge love for makeup, fashion, skincare, everything that goes into beauty and kind of like personal wellness. I definitely want to explore a lot of different things on this channel, not just beauty, but it all kind of ties into the same idea of this is my journey, this is where I'm at now, and I hope you guys get to see me grow in so many ways. I spent a couple years working in salons at the front desk, and I think that gave me a really great foundation, but the past couple of years I've had a lot of fun learning more and more about makeup and practicing my skills. As you can see, I've got kind of an interesting look on today. At my job, we had like a come in disguise type of video call today, so I was a cat burglar. I had like a mask, and I don't know if you can see, but there's cats on my hat. I love cats. I have two of them, and they are like the joy of my life. I wanted to only touch on one product that I was wearing, so as you can see, I've got black lipstick on. This is the Kylie Cosmetics cream lipstick. It's called Nightfall, and it's from the Weather collection from a couple years ago. I'm going to take just a minute to touch up this lip color because I've been wearing it since the morning. And I would probably find it super distracting if I hadn't done that, so thanks for bearing with me. Obviously, I have been wanting to do this for a while. I think anyone that puts themselves out there on YouTube has kind of had an idea or a dream about doing something like this. I have a very minor background in acting and public speaking, and this is just something that I find fun. It kind of comes naturally to me. I don't know, you guys can let me know. But anyway, I've been wanting to start this channel for about 2 years now, and it just seemed like life always got in the way. Obviously, there is something very big happening in the world right now that made it seem even more like frivolous or impossible, but I really decided that it was time to take the plunge because there's been a lot going on for me personally. There has been some really heavy stuff going on in my family, and it's also around the time of the 7-year anniversary of my father's passing. So I really have been having kind of a tough time the past couple weeks, and I realized that it was really important to take the time out to do things that make me happy, make me feel creative, and make me feel like myself. I watched a really awesome TED Talk that I will put in the description if I can find it, and it really like rang true to me that the only thing I needed to worry about doing in life was being the most myself I ever could be. And on that note, when I put out a couple more videos, you might be kind of like, whoa, that's not really the girl I saw in this first video. And I think that's because the first few videos I filmed, I thought I had to kind of like fit this mold of what other beauty YouTubers look and act like, and I've just decided that that's completely ridiculous, and I'm sure a lot of people go through this when they first start out, but I'm really gonna try to be 100% authentic and myself with you guys. I really look forward to hearing from you and having some sort of interaction on my videos. So yeah, that's a little bit about the climate I'm in right now. I got a really awesome surprise in the mail. I shared with a couple of my close friends and a couple of my coworkers what was going on, and one of my coworkers was so generous to send me a little pick-me-up package from Glossier. When I opened the mailbox and I saw where it was from, I was like, wait, did I order this like half asleep? And then my next thought was like, oh my god, I've become a beauty influencer without doing any work. Awesome! They sent me something for no reason. Turns out that was not the case, but the reality of why I got this package was almost like 8 times better. So I'll go ahead and open it up on camera. I do know how I got it because I opened it, but I did not open anything inside of the packaging. So yeah, let's just take a look. It came in a box like this, like a lot of beauty products do. So I cut the tape and voila! Can you see me? Oh, you can't see me. Okay, voila! All right, I think that will work for a thumbnail. So inside, on the very top, was an adorable card. Yep, you can see it right there. I love their packaging and branding. I love that peach color. So I will read you what it says really quickly. I know you have been through so much lately. Here's a little something to hopefully brighten your day, with a heart emoji, and it's my favorite way to do a heart emoji. Like, I send these to everyone, you know, with like the little carrot and then like the 3 on the side, you know. I don't know. I'll put them in the description or something. Anyway, this definitely achieved that purpose of brightening my day, and I just now noticed how cute the back of the card is. It's got these little like smiley faces in a pattern. One thing that was so interesting about me as a kid, and I guess I still like these things, as a child I was obsessed with like smiley faces and tie-dye and like all kinds of cute and kitschy things like that. Actually, it's pretty funny. I've been sipping on some coffee and it just so happens that it is in a tie-dye mug, so there you go. I guess I never changed. Anyway, let's get into this box. So, after the card, there was this really cute little bubble wrap moment, and I will definitely be keeping this. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but it's definitely handy to have. Oh, wow. I should take a moment to say that this vanity, this is not even close to done. This is just thrown out there. I moved not too long ago and I'm still finishing setting everything up, so hopefully in the next video you will have something way better to look at, but for now this is what I got. I hope you like it. Anyway, back to the package. So it's got a little Ziploc thing up here. Unfortunately, I can't tell you anything about what ordering was like and how long it took to get to me because someone else sent it. So for my next box opening, I'll try to get into that with you. Let's see, what do we have first? Okay, Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. So this is the packaging. It looks really clean and simple. Oh, it's pink on the side. I don't know if you can read that. Oh, I love this color. Okay. So this looks like a serum for skincare. Apply 2 pumps all over face as the last step in your routine. Add more to the high points of the face for extra glow. Ooh, we love a good glow. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I will probably not be testing this one on camera because It's skincare, and hey, let's do a skincare video if I enjoy using this, which I am having trouble. Apparently it's easier to open from the bottom. So it comes off of an inner box. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. So, I don't know if you can tell how like kind of iridescent the bottle is, but that is like my favorite finish on anything. I love things that are kind of like shiny, metallic, iridescent, like holographic. That's my jam. And then obviously the top is that same baby pink color. So this is super cute. Let's see what we have next. Okay, Glossier berrybomb.com Universal Skin Salve. So I think this is a moisturizer. Oh, right, packaging. So we have this cute little purple box. I wonder if they have like different lines of products with like different packaging. Probably I could find that out online. So this opens up. Oh my god, this is my color, guys. This blue, you will see like a bunch of my stuff is this color. This is my favorite color. Okay. Ooh, cute. So we've got like a little tube, a cap on the bottom. I thought it was cork at first, but it's just kind of this like light brown color. It didn't come with plastic covering the end, which, you know, I would prefer that, but I can deal. Let's see if the other one had that. So, also I should have mentioned this is my very first like experience with Glossier. I like the idea, and I have always meant to buy some products, but it just hasn't really happened yet. So this is super exciting for me. All right, so this one, let's see if it has a seal. Nope, awesome little pump. This feels very sturdy, by the way. Like, this is like definitely a hard plastic. So let's move on to the final product in here. This is the one I was gonna try. This is it. Oh my god. She picked the perfect products for me. Like, she must pay attention when I post in our ladies channel. We have a special channel for all the ladies to share what they want to share. This is the Boy Brow Grooming Pomade. I love it. I have heard such good things about this, and I can't wait to try it. Obviously, I have full natural brows. I fill them in a little bit. They are holding up very well in quarantine, by the way. It's been probably like 9 weeks at least, maybe more, maybe 10. I got my brows done literally like the week before my state kind of shut down, and it has really shocked me how well my brows have done. Like, that was the one thing I was worried about. I was like, hair, nails, I don't really care, but oh my god, I am gonna be interesting to look at without my brows done. Anyway, so let's open this up. It has that same baby pink kind of packaging on the sides. I really like that. It's like simple black and white on the front, and then there's like a pop of color. Aww, this is great. I kind of like how little it is. I like little things. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay, so it's not a clear gel, which is great. That color is going to work well for me because it's like a dark brown. And then you can see the inside of the box has that same pink color. I really like that. You'll figure out about me that I'm really into packaging. I'm a collector by nature, so I like to explore the way things look and the thought that went into them and everything. So anywho, I think that is it. My bag is empty. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, there's something hiding in here. Ooh, 2 things hiding. This is great. Okay. So we have a sample for the Cloud Paint Seamless Cheek Color. That's cute. That's really cute. I thought this was lipstick at first, but it looks like it's a cheek tint, which I tend to use like powder blush, but this will be fun to try out. And then we've got a cute little Glossier sticker, so I know exactly what I'm going to use this for, but I'm not going to tell you because, yeah, I like surprises, and hopefully you like surprises. Anyway, so I think that about wraps it up for my first ever video. I definitely think it was important that I came on and talked to you guys now because, to be quite honest, my next 3 videos were filmed in August of last year. So, like I said, this has been a dream for a while and it hasn't happened yet, but I got some pretty good content back then, so I don't want to totally scrap it. But yeah, this is your forewarning that you're gonna see a slightly different girl in the next couple of videos, and she's still me, but I was just trying to bring like a great like energy that maybe isn't 100% authentic, so I'll probably just stick with the way I am now, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Like, this is probably all gonna change rapidly as I go along. So anyway, it was great to have you guys with me while I open up this box. It's one of my joys to get things in the mail, so I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mail, so I will see you in the next one. Bye!